Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to unmute notifications for a space on your Gmail app using your Android device. If you've been missing out on important updates, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of your screen. Step 2 is to tap the Chat tab. This is where all your conversations live. Now, Step 3 requires a little touch. Tap and hold the space you're interested in. A menu will pop up, and this is where we find our next step. Step 4 is to tap on Notification Settings. This option will allow you to customize how you receive updates for this space. Finally, Step 5 is to mark All. This ensures you get notified about every single message in the space, so you won't miss anything important moving forward. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you'll ensure that you never miss out on crucial updates from your team or friends in Gmail spaces. Happy chatting!